What's up viewers, in this video I want to show you how to delete your Gmail account permanently. So let's get started. First go to your phone's home screen and tap on Gmail. Now go to the image icon at the top corner. Then tap on manage your Google account. Okay, now select data and privacy. Now scroll down and find delete your Google account. Now you can see many applications linked to the Gmail account. If you delete it permanently, you would not be able to access those application image and other data. If you still want to delete it, make sure to select both options showing. Okay, finally tap on delete account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe my channel.